The small town of Samobor is a favourite venue for a day trip from Zagreb. For a special experience, you can ride just 4 kilometres away from the town to the slopes of the mountain. Green hills with vineyards are a gorgeous setting, especially if you come to a traditional farm. Slavagora. This family establishment respected the local traditions in every detail. Boris Kuzmanović is the head of the family. It all started by accident. We have a vineyard and an old cellar built in 1894. My friends and my wife's friends gathered here in great numbers. They started suggesting that we should open an inn. We started it as a joke, but it turned out great. We're among the first people in this region who opened such a farm. Everybody in the large family participates in the work, including the 2 grandmothers. Grandmother Nada helps with the cooking. Now I will make cheese strukli. You must have gentle hands for this. I learned from my grandmother Juliana and started working when I was 8. Every woman in my family was a good cook. Now it's time for the filling. Mix 2 eggs, cream, salt, oil, and some cheese, of course. Now you roll it all. Some more oil. Strudels of cherries, strawberries or apples are made in the same way. Now you oil a pan, put the strukli and cover them with cream. Put them in a hot oven for half an hour and they're finished. Here are some mushrooms, picked in the woods this morning. Cheese and cream with homemade bacon and sausage. This is a homegrown chicken raised by another grandmother, Anna. Now I'll fry it and you'll eat it. This is our vineyard where we grow the sorts of Rhine Riesling and Graševina. We annually produce around 1,500 litres of wine. I even have the certificate of geographic origin. Eating in the fresh air with a wonderful view over the green hills. This is what happiness feels like.